Oh. Yeah.
See, I can jump onto something.
Give me your circus goat. Come here.
There we go.
Come on over here. Come on, Calypso. Yeah.
Oh yeah! What a jump!
Let's go. Come on, Calypso.
Oh my gosh.
Come on. Jump. Yay! Come on, Calypso. Come on. Calypso, come on. Come on. She's a circus goat. Come on.
Oh my gosh. Are you taking video?
I am. I'm doing video right now.
Or
Oops.
down the hole.
Hop down.
No, Auntie Gracie. She's afraid of Auntie Gracie because she'll knock her off. Come on, Calypso. Calypso. Okay. Come on. Come on up here. Come on. See, she's going to challenge you now. And then Clara's going to get in the mix.
See, I don't know about this.
She's been trying to get on her mom forever.
Little hopping goat.
One of these days she will.
There we go. All right.
She is.
That is one seriously cute goat.
Precious.
Yeah, really.